Good morning, class 8. Today we will do multiplication of binomials and what are the working rules for them. Here I am taking two binomials. One is a plus b and the second is c plus d. And I am going to multiply a plus b with c plus d. First of all, I will put both the binomials in brackets. And here the answer is a multiply c plus a multiply d plus b multiply c plus b multiply d. How I have done this? I have multiplied this a with c as well as d. Means a multiply c plus a multiply d. Now for the second time, this b is multiplying with c and d both. It will be b multiply c plus b multiply d. Now this is the working rule of the multiplication of two binomials. And here both the binomials have positive terms. Now here one is a plus b and the second one is c minus d. And here what will be the answer? A multiply c minus a multiply d. Here it is written. Now for b multiply c, it will be of positive sign, and b multiply d, it will be of negative sign. Similarly, if the first binomial is with negative term, means a minus b, and second will be with positive terms, means c plus d, then what will be the working rule? A multiply c minus plus a multiply d. Actually this a is multiplying with c and d both. A is of plus sign, c and d both are of plus sign. So the multiplication will be plus. Means a multiply c and plus a multiply d. Now this time b is with negative sign and c and d both are of positive sign. So the multiplication of b and c, it will be negative because b is of negative sign. So it will be minus b multiply c. Similarly, it will be minus b multiply d. Now here in both there is one term with negative sign, means a minus b and c minus d. Here it will be a multiply c here and a multiply d, but it will be of negative sign because d was negative. Similarly, b multiply c, it will be of negative sign, and negative and negative, it will be positive. B multiply d, it will be of positive sign. Now here are some examples. This is resembling as the first part. It is 4x plus 5y and 7x plus 6y. And for their multiplication, we will write 4x multiply with 7x plus 4x multiply with 6y. Here it is written. Now it is the turn of 5y. 5y multiply 7x and 5y multiply 6y. And all were of positive sign. So here in between these all there will be plus sign here. Now it will be 28x square. It will be 24xy. This will be 35xy. And this will be 30y square. Now these two are like terms. Means 35xy and 24xy. And both are of positive sign. So after addition, it will be 59xy. It is 28x square and it is 30y square. This is our answer. Now for b part, it is 4x plus 3y multiply 3x minus 2y. Here this 4x will multiply with both 3x minus 2y. It means we will write 4x multiply 3x plus 4x multiply minus 2y. Now this time this 3y will multiply with 3x minus 2y. So we will write 3y multiply 3x plus 3y multiply minus 2y. Its product will be 12x square. Its product will be minus 8xy. Its product will be 9xy and its product will be minus 6y square. So it will be 12x square. This will be negative, plus minus is minus, minus 8xy. This will be plus 9xy and this will be minus 6y square. And here these two terms are like terms, and here it is minus 8 and here it is plus 9. So 9xy minus 8xy, it is 1xy, and 12x square minus 6y square, this is same. In this way you can try question number 1 of exercise 9.4 in your rough notebook.